In this video, we will look at indexing and slicing in 2D tensors. So indexing we can do using the square brackets, the same way we did in 1D tensors. So instead of providing just one index, we need to provide two indices, since there are two dimensions and we have an index in each dimension. And the first index comes from the rows. So these are the rows which have a indices of 0, 1 and 2, and the columns have indices 0, 1, 2, 3, and using these two indices we can access any element, which we had seen in the last video also. So the way to do is to first pass the row index, and in a separate square bracket you can pass the column index, or you can combine them in a single square bracket using comma. So ri comma ci. So let's take an example. So if we write 1 2 a1 2, then 1 is this index, second row, and 2 is this third column. So we reach here, so the value is 7. The same thing you can write in 1 2 also, so this will be 7. Now let's see slicing. So slicing is also very similar to 1D case. Only thing is that instead of just one slice, so if you remember in the 1D tensor, we would provide the starting index and then this colon and then ending index plus 1. So the last index was not included, so this was included, and we took the slice one index before the end index. Similarly here we will provide rows. So rows denotes the first slice, or we can write slice 1 and then slice 2. So let's say we want to take select these two values from this 2D tensor. So the row indices are 0, 1, 2. So the rows, these values are spread over rows 1 and 2. So the first slice would be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Remember that the last index is not included, so it will take 1 and 2. And now which columns do we want? So all the elements that we want, 7 and 11, are in the same column, that is 2. So we can just pass 2. Similarly, let's say we want these 2 cross 3 slice out of this complete tensor, 2D tensor. So in red, whatever you see in red, this we want to extract. So we will write A, rows are going from 1 to 2, so again 1 to 3, and columns are here from 1, 2 and 3, so we will write 1 to 4. So this is the way we take slices. Now let's see in our Google Colab notebook with some example. So we are continuing the example that we took in the previous lesson. So this is a 2D tensor. So we have already seen that if we want to access the third row, fourth column, that is 12, we will write it like this in multiple ways. So we will specifically look at slicing examples. So first let's see what will this print. So here the row number is 1, column number is 1 and 2, 3 is not included. So row number is 1 and column number is 1 and 2. So these two, it should print 6 and 7. So now let's run it and see what it prints. So we get 6 and 7. Now 0 and 1, row number 0 and 1 and column number 2. So 0 and 1 and column number is 2. So it should print 3, 7. And finally let's take a slice along both 0 to 2, 0 to 2. So 0 and 1. These two rows, first two rows and the first two columns. So it should be 2 cross 2. That is 1, 2 and 5, 6. So let's see. So we get 1, 2 and 5, 6 as expected. So I hope you understood indexing and slicing. This can be very powerful tool while working with 2D tensors.